So I have created a demo account on Notion in order to check for the requirements of the project. In order to do that, I built a demo application in Python where it just connects to Notion API. It fetches all the records, then it checks for updates. By the way, the live update feature on Notion Pi is broken at this moment, so I have to go through each record and check it one by one. This is why I use a for loop. Then I update the first contact over here, and then I create a new contact. So this is just to check if all the API features that we need in Notion work and how efficient they are. So let's run this program. Okay, now it fetches the records. Now it checks for updates. Now it's updating the first contact, and now it's creating a new contact. And now it's finished. So in order to get an idea of how inefficient this is, just multiply these times by, let's say, 100 to accommodate 100 people. Now, let's imagine that you have installed Dropbox, for example, in your PC, where Dropbox will sync all the files in a folder with your Dropbox account. The strain of that syncing process is taken by your PC, your local machine. Now, we're talking about a cloud product, so all the strain, all this time for updating contacts and syncing contacts, etc., will be taken by your servers. So at this moment, I think the Notion Pi, it is very inefficient because it takes all that time. Also, this code used to run 2 days ago, but today, when I was testing the Notion API, I couldn't connect to the Notion API. I couldn't even run this line here. So I checked on the repositories, and I have found an issue posted 2 days ago that explains this problem. The Notion, here it is. So it was exactly the same problem as I had. So the Notion maintainer was quick to respond to this problem and posted an update. So I updated and everything was working correctly again. But what this means is that the Notion API is still in beta stage. So what this means is that anything can break at any moment. And this is a bad thing. This is not good for production grade applications. So what I would do is to wait for an official API release and then check to see if all the features are there, if how efficient it is, and check if what you want to do is doable.